What if I told you you could deliver results to your client 4 times faster than you're currently doing? And not in 6 weeks or not in 8 weeks, but in less than two. And stay tuned because I'm about to show you exactly how I did that for one agency that I was working with and how this will also work for any kind of agency. So 6 months ago, I walked into an SEO agency that was drowning in deadlines and the team was burning out. Their clients were getting frustrated with the really long wait times. And worst of all was that their content was becoming outdated even before it reached their clients. And something had to change. So today I'm going to show you the 4-pillar system that we use to transform their entire operation. And again, I did this at an SEO agency, but this will work for any kind of agency. Number 1, flow optimization, and I'll get into exactly what that is. Number 2, daily cycles. Number 3, workload distribution and leveling. Number 4, team structure. And let me break down how each one of these works. First, let's talk about flow optimization. We completely eliminated what's called waiting waste. So instead of batching content together, we implemented single piece flow. And you can think of this kind of like a conveyor belt where content is going to be moving continuously instead of sitting in piles and waiting to be worked on. And the second pillar is daily cycles. So we threw out all the old monthly calendars and implemented daily work assignments. And when you spot an issue in daily work assignments, you're able to fix it immediately and not weeks later when it becomes a bigger problem. The third pillar is workforce distribution. And this meant that we didn't have the feast or famine schedules that they typically had from a workload perspective. So for example, if you have 8 projects that are due this month, that means that 2 are due per week. So it's very simple math and it prevents a lot of chaos that agency owners self-inflict on themselves. And then fourth, this might be controversial, but we changed the team structure from contractors to full-time employees. Why? Because contractors work on their time, not your client's time. So if you send something to a contractor, they might take days or a week to get back to you and fix that problem. But with full-time employees, we have a much tighter feedback loop because they're all working during the same time for the same clients. So let's quickly recap what made the system work. Number 1, continuous flow, eliminating waiting time. Number 2, daily cycles that are going to catch issues early. Number 3, an even distribution of work that prevents deadline chaos. And number 4, full-time team members that maintain consistency. So the results speak for themselves. We dropped delivery time from 6 weeks down to just 1.5 weeks, 75% reduction. Content quality improved because it was a lot more current. Clients started to see results much faster because we compressed the time to value and lead time. And then team stress levels plummeted because they were getting things done on time faster. And the system isn't really just about speed. It's also about building a sustainable agency that delivers better results with less stress on the owner and less stress on the team. So you'll have happier clients, a more engaged team, and content that stays ahead of algorithm updates instead of chasing them.